Hello students, let us now learn general science from the book Science Squad of class 4. Chapter 3, How Plants Make Food. In this chapter, we shall discuss about how plants prepare their food, parts involved in their preparation, nature of the food and uses of the food. Plants are the basic source of food for all living beings. Plants can make their own food and hence are called producers. Animals obtain food from other living things and hence are called consumers. Leaves. The leaves are broad, flat and green in color. The leaves are green in color due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. The main function of the leaves is to prepare food. Hence, it is also known as kitchen or food factories. Let us begin to learn about the external structure of a leaf. In the picture, you can see the external structure of a leaf. Leaf blade, leaf base, petiole, node, midrib, veins, veinlets and margin. Let us now discuss about these parts in detail. Nodes. The place of the stem where leaves are attached. You can see the diagram clearly. Petiole. The stalk of the leaf which helps the leaf blade to turn towards the sun. Leaf base. It is the basal part of the leaf which helps in the attachment of the node of the stem with the leaf. Leaf blade, also known as lamina. It is a flat and broad surface of the leaf which attaches leaf to the stem. The main function of the lamina is to absorb light to prepare the food. The margin is the edges of the leaf. Midrib is the most prominent vein present in the middle of the lamella. Running from its base to the apex is called the midrib, which carries food and water. So it is a midrib which carries water and food. Veins. The midrib consists of network of veins which help in conducting water, food and minerals. Internal structure of a leaf. The internal structure of a leaf consists of 3 layers, namely upper layer, middle layer, lower layer. The lower layer consists of a small pores known as stomata. You can see the stoma in the diagram at the lower layer of the leaf. The stomata helps in taking in carbon dioxide and leaving out of oxygen. Let us now discuss the other parts involved in photosynthesis. Root hairs. Root hair helps to absorb water and minerals dissolved in water from the soil. Stem. Stem helps to transport water to leaves and to carry food to various parts of the plant. Now let us discuss photosynthesis. The word photo means light and synthesis means produce. The process by which the green plants prepare food in presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. How do plants obtain these elements? The root absorbs the water, carbon dioxide enters the leaf through stomata and the chlorophyll traps the sunlight acting as a catalyst to produce sugar. Thus, the overall reaction of photosynthesis can be written as carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It can prepare glucose and oxygen is released. Let us now see how photosynthesis takes place in desert and non-green plants. In desert plants like cactus, the leaves are absent. So, the stems containing chlorophyll prepares and stores the food. In non-green plants such as molds and mushrooms also, there is no chlorophyll. These plants get their food from dead and decaying plants. Nature of food. Food prepared by plants may be stored in the form of glucose, sugar, starch or cellulose. In grapes, the food is stored in the form of glucose. In sugarcane, the food is stored in the form of sugar. In maize, the food is in the form of starch. In mustard leaves, the food is stored in the form of cellulose. These foods, when taken and broken, we get energy. Let us now discuss the uses of food. Food is used to produce energy for various life processes. This energy has been used for sensation, reaction, movement of water, air and food. The food can be stored for future use also. These foods can be stored in leaves, fruits, stem, roots or seeds of the plant. Sugarcane stores sugar in stem. Papaya stores glucose in fruit. Sweet potato stores starch in the roots. Maize stores starch in seeds. Cabbage stores starch in leaves. The food also used for growth and repair by building new cells. The body parts of a plant become so strong by converting sugars to cellulose, thereby making fibrous parts. This ends the chapter 3.